Wow, your laminate floors lifting off the ground, are they springy, spongy? You can bounce on them? Well, we're gonna show you how to fix it today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So here we go. If you can see here, the whole floor is lifting. We have an area that starts basically from one side of the room to the other. Very hard to tell sometimes in pictures, but we're about 6 inches off the ground here. So in order to fix this, the first thing we want to do is to pop off all the trim. And I've already started doing that. We've taken off all of our base. It actually caulked it to the ground. Now sometimes that can cause the problem right there alone. But you see when we take that off, these are concrete walls here. And it's actually wedged up against that wall. No space at all. No space at all. No space at all. The whole way down the wall, there's absolutely zero expansion space. It is wedge tight, and we need to do some relief cutting to free up this floor. This is gonna be your best friend today. This is an oscillating saw, and it's gonna get in there and relief cut the entire floor. That's tight, it won't even come out. It's so tight. Oh, that went down a lot just then. No more springiness. In the wake of our destruction here, we got the floor to settle down. Another mystery solved, another floor fixed. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos like this, plus we have vinyl floor installations, product reviews, and much, much more. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But we could use your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share. And of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.